Willard Carroll Smith II, professionally known as Will Smith, was born on 25th of September in 1968. He is an actor, a rapper, and film producer. Today is celebrating his birthday of 55. He has received many accolades including Academy Award, Golden Globe Award, BAFTA Award, 4 Grammy Awards, and as for 2024, his films has grossed over 9.3 billion globally, making him one of Hollywood's most bankable stars. He started his acting career in a television series at the NBC, The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, is from 1990 to 1996. Some of the movies in which acted in are Big World Star, William, Born to Rain, Lost of Found, Wild West, Bad Boys, Men in Black, Independence Day, Enemy of the State, I, Robot, Stark, Tear, Hitch, 7 Pounds, Hancock, I'm a Regent, Suicidal Squad, Aladdin, King Richard, and many more. Wishing happy birthday to Will Smith. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. If any suggestion, write it in the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Uyu munsi ni isabukuru y'amavuko wa Willard Carroll Smith wa kabiri, umenyekanye nka Will Smith. Yavutse tariki 25 z'ukwa 9 mu 1965. Uyu munsi ari isabukuru y'imyaka 55. Akaba ari umunyamerika, umukinnyi w'amafilime, umuraperi ndetse anatunganya amafilime. Zimwe muri filime yamenyekanyemo hari Men in Black, Bad Boy, Hancock, Independence Day, Enemy of the State, The Pursuit of Happiness, Ari, Stark, Tear n'izindi nyinshi cyane. Wakoze kubana nanjye, ndagusaba like na subscribe by'umenye amakuru yagezweho, ari igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze, gira ibihe byiza.